Yo, I can hear something. Sounds like bubbling, but it's coming from the exhaust. Let me check it out. Well, there's your there's your plot. I was trying to say, well, there's your problem in my Texas accent, but that shit wasn't coming out. I'm not Texan, I can't lie. Shit. But it seems like I fucking tightened that shit a little too much. And either I tightened it too much or there wasn't enough pipe for me to fucking clamp down to. So I gotta change the tip on the fucking muffler now. So luckily I have all that shit here. All right, found it. 2.5 pipe. Has this yo, I feel so fucking stupid right now. I literally went to the fucking store right now to go buy a 3-inch to 2.5 reducer so I can change the coupler on the exhaust. And I went to the fucking O'Reilly's to go pick up a coupler for a replacement for what I'm about to fucking change. And tell me why I remembered I had fucking pipe, but I never thought about this shit until just right now. I have 2.5 pipe to 2.5 insert, and this is a 2.5 on both sides. So I was like, yeah, I got 2.5. Fuck it, I'm gonna fucking put it on a pipe. I got everything in the house that I fucking need just to change that shit. And then when I come back, I'm like, stupid. You fucking need to couple into a 3-inch pipe. You fucking dumbass. Now I gotta go back to the store. Now I gotta go back to the same store I just came back from. Back to the store finally with the correct piece. This downsizer I don't like. I don't like that my exhaust has to go through 1/2 inch of a smaller diameter muffler. But anyways, whatever. Alright, yeah, it kind of looks like only the coupler side got pinched down. This one looks to be all right. So I guess I just gotta make that shit a little bit longer. All right, there it is. Pipe was too damn short, and I tightened it a little too damn much. So I'm gonna extend this one a little bit. I'm not 100% sure if I want to use my coupler, that coupler right there, or if I just want to stack up the other one to this one. I'll just cut it from like right here and then stack that one on top of this one, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm at least gonna need about that much. That's damn near the whole fucking thing. So it's gonna be like right there. Somewhere right there. Damn, that's a lot. Next day, getting ready to finish this thing up right here. I already went and checked out the piping to see if it fits. It does fit, but I have to get a piece that's slightly bent so I can have my tailpipe perfectly straight. My tailpipe tip perfectly straight. But pretty much done. I'm just gonna finish up welding this shit. But with this weld, I got something up my sleeve. I mean, I mean, them welds kind of look like doo-doo butter. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we can make this shit look good. Yeah. What? Isn't that how the pros do it? Okay, and now that we're done, we're just gonna throw the exhaust on. And what? You want me to turn on the truck before I throw this back on? Bet. fix it. Who knows when that'll be. Okay, so while I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't do outro, so this is my outro. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing over here, and also remember that you can also follow me in TikTok at Ghetto Rigged right here, 510. And also, if you want to follow me for my main account, TikTok account, it is right here. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.
Mr. Sandman.